This Samsung Galaxy Tab will neither turn on nor charge. It appears to be dead and is not detected by any power supply when plugged in. This fault can be caused by anything, from charging port to charging IC or power IC, or even the battery. To successfully troubleshoot this issue and solve it, we must dismantle the device. It is possible that it really isn't charging the battery at all. There is a short here. Current isn't passing through to the battery, and the culprit component is heating up the tablet. Disconnecting all flexes from the board and unscrewing the motherboard from the frame. This pen-like device is a rosin atomizer for short circuit detection. This small capacitor is shorted to ground. To fix this, we must get rid of the shorted component. The problem is resolved, but, due to the short, the battery is totally drained of any power. I only had to boost the battery and all is well again. All good.